Thinking of ordering from Joyagoo.com? Maybe you saw some trendy gadgets or home deals at super low prices. But before you hit that buy now button, let's talk, because not everything cheap is a bargain. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Alright, so Joyagoo markets itself as a discount online store with everything from kitchen tools to personal gadgets. The site looks clean and the deals are eye-catching, but once you check the reviews, things start to fall apart. On Trustpilot, Joyagoo has a really poor rating. We're talking tons of one-star reviews with complaints like super low shipping or super slow shipping, bad quality items, or never getting their product at all. Some people said they received something totally different from what was advertised. Then on Scam Advisor, the trust score is low. Red flags include lack of transparency, hidden company info, and a recent domain creation. Basically, it screams be careful. Also, there's barely any legit customer service contact. A lot of reviewers said their refund requests just got ignored. So, is Joyagoo a scam? While it's technically a functioning site, the customer experience tells a very different story. With so many red flags and happy buyers, it's probably not worth the risk unless you're cool with possibly losing your money. Have you ever ordered from Joyagoo? Did you actually get what you paid for, or was it a mess? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real talk reviews on sketchy sites and viral products.